Public defender want to be heard.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't know, because all I got's an arrest warrant. Well, all right, 5,000. If he bonds out, no contact with the victim, no weapons or firearms, can't go within 500 feet of the victim's home, vehicle, or place of employment. If he shared a residence, can go back one time with law enforcement to get his personal belongings. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Last name Jason, first name Christopher.
He's got possession of fentanyl, possession of narcotic paraphernalia. You're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Court appointed.
You have any source of income?
None.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. Currently held without bond. Why is that?
He's got a prior history, but I don't have any objection to schedule bond, Your Honor.
All right, 5,000 count one, 1,000 count two. Thank you.
Next one, last name is Edie, first name Jordan.
All right, let's see. Yes, gotta let the clerk catch up. All right, Jordan Eady, driving while license suspended, permanently revoked. You're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
Do you have any source of income?
Yes, sir.
How much do you bring home per week?
About 550.
Appoint the public defender. What's his permanent revocation? Anybody know?
I didn't have an affidavit, Your Honor, so I defer to the court whether that's actually accurate or not.
It says he's on probation now. I mean, there's only certain circumstances where you get a
Yes,
permanently
sir.
revoked DL.
I think they may have charged it under the wrong thing, because they just,
Just shows he's got a driving license suspended,
yes, sir.
but is he on DUI probation?
Let me see.
Yep, looks like he's on DUI probation February of this year. So revoke that probation. Do an instant or warrant. Hold him no bond on that.
That was from CT 252367. I don't see any other priors, so
All
I
right,
think this
that's-
is probably in either an M1 or an M2. So given that he's on probation for DUI, we would ask for a $5,000 bond on the new charge.
I'm gonna leave it as is, 5,000, and he's gonna sit until he gets back in front of whatever judge put him on probation.
And I would ask the public defender to be appointed on the violation probation case and for it to be, I guess other one's a felony. It just has to be appointed.
Appoint the public defender on both matters. Thank you. All right, you're done, sir.
Last name Harvey, first name Darren.
What's it? Harvey, okay. Darren Harvey, possession of paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Court-appointed?
You have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. Bonds are set at 1,000, count one, count two, 5,000, leave as set. Thank you.
Last name Hendricks, first name Ronald.
He's got possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine, failure to appear on a trespass charge. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Court-appointed?
You have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender. Finding probable cause. What was his status on the trespass?
I think it was an FTA at arraignment.
Yeah, just wait, was he out on bond?
It should be a $1,000 bond.
Right, but was he out on bond on the trespass and then commits new offenses?
It was a notice to appear,
Okay.
and he failed to appear at arraignment.
Set bond 1,000, count 1, count 2, 5,000. Leave it set at 1,000 on count 3. Thank you.
This way, sir. Last name Hendricks, first name Ronald. That's you. Last name Hoover, first name Dale.
All right, Dale Hoover, charged of tampering with a witness, domestic violence, battery. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
Do you have any source of income?
Yes.
How much do you bring home per week?
7 to 750.
You have any minor children you support?
2.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause, currently held without bond. State, you want to be heard.
And the state would ask for 5,000 per count and no weapons and no contact as conditions.
Ms. Smith, you want to be heard.
I would ask that he be allowed to go to the address one time with law enforcement to get his personal belongings.
5,000 each count. If he bonds out, no contact with the victim, no weapons or firearms. If he resides there, it can go one time with the assistance of law enforcement to get his personal belongings. Thank you.
Last name Gibson, first name Craig.
Charged with trespass. You have a right to a lawyer. Going to hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Court appointed lawyer, please.
You have any source of income?
None.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. Currently held without bond. Any reason? Anybody know?
Without bond.
Looks like he's had multiple trespasses.
Yes, sir, I think yes, sir, I don't see anything open, so. I think it's just because of the prior history.
Yeah. All right, you going to be heard, Ms. Lauren?
And the state would, given the prior history, we would ask for 2,500.
Ms. Smith?
That's presumptive bond of 1,000.
Given the issues, his prior issues, step on at 2,500. Thank you.
Thank you.
Last name Jeffrey, first name Austin.
Austin Jeffrey, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You have a right to a lawyer. You're going to hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
You have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender.
He has an open case, but it's a notice to appear.
Find probable cause. He's currently held without bond. Anybody know why?
I think because of that open case, but that open case is a notice to appear.
All right, set bond at 5,000, count 1, count 2, 1,000. Thank you.
Last name Jenkins, first name Troy.
Let's see, what's all this? Troy Jenkins got a bunch of warrants, looks like out of Hillsborough County. Do you have any local charges? Doesn't look like it.
Actually, these are violation of probation charges out of Polk County. He picked up a new charge in Hillsborough that violated his probation here.
You're right, okay. All right, so these are all local violations of probation caused by a new offense, okay. All right, well, we'll find probable cause. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify, sir.
Do you have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender. We found probable cause. Gonna hold them without bond on all these. I'll have to take them up with the judge and put them on probation. All right, thank you.
Wait a second. Last name Johnson, first name Frank.
All right, Frank Johnson, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
You have any source of income?
No.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause, currently held without bond. Anybody know why?
He's on pretrial release, Your Honor.
He's out on something already.
CF 26-1856.
Right here.
And can you
Alright,
sign
listen.
this for me, Your Honor, to your left?
Yes. Thank you. All right. What's this gentleman's name?
This is Johnson, first name Matthew.
All right, looks like he's got a warrant, petty theft, out of some other jurisdiction, Orange County, says they'll extradite. All right, can't help him with the lawyer. Got a bond set of $500, leave it as is. Thank you.
The next one, last name Kirkland, first name Tavion.
Davion Kirkland, warrant out of Osceola County and a DV battery here. Can't help him with the Osceola case. On the count here, he's entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
You have any source of income?
No.
Appoint the public defender. All right, find probable cause. Shows him on probation. You on probation?
I think that's the Osceola.
That's what this
one.
is? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. On the DV battery, what's the state's position for bond?
And the state would ask for $5,000 bond and no weapons and no contact on the DV battery.
All right, gonna be heard, Ms. Smith.
Just that he needs to go back to the same address to get his stuff out.
All right, $5,000 bond. If he bonds, he's on pretrial release. No contact with the victim, no weapons or firearms. Can return to the property with law enforcement only, one time to get his personal belongings. But can't help him with Osceola. That stays no bond. Thank you.
The next one we have is the female that we're missing, Foster.
All right.
Okay, Carlita. Charlita.
Charlene Foster, driving my license suspended. All right, you have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Yeah, the second one.
Do you have any source of income?
Not no more. I got arrested. So
Appoint the
I'm
public
pretty sure I'm
defender.
Public
Find a
defender.
probable cause, currently held without bond. She have an open case.
There's an open case out of Lake Alfred. It is. It looks like she was out on bond on that one because it was an arrest.
Was it a driving charge?
It was causing a minor to become delinquent and petty theft. It's MM 26-1678.
All right, revoke the bonds in that case pursuant to Parker v. State. In this matter, set bond at $5,000. Thank you.
Next one, last name Lopez, first name Enrique.
Charged with violation of probation. You have a right to a lawyer. Gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify, is this local? Yep. Oh, yep. All right, you have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Qualify.
You have any source of income?
No.
Appoint the public defender, find probable cause, the warrant says no bond, stays no bond. Thank you.
Next one, last name Hodges, first name Adonai.
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 Adonai Hodges, possession of a concealed weapon by a convicted felon. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Appointed lawyer.
You have any source of income?
No.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. Currently held without bond. Why is that?
I think it's based on prior history. I don't see anything open because the case from last year he pled to jail time on, so I don't see anything else open. Let's see.
I don't know what this,
And that, yeah, okay, that's, well, that was.
all right. You want to be heard on bond, Ms. Lauren?
Given his prior history, we would ask for at least 70, or we'd ask for 10,000, sorry.
All right, Ms. Smith, you want to be heard?
No, Your Honor.
10,000. If he bonds out, what's he, he's, yeah, all right, 10,000. I can't really tell what's going on, but he's saying he's using for yard work, but, all right. Thank you.
Next one, last name is Martinez, first name Pedro.
And he's charged with, this is Jaramillo Martinez, or Pedro Martinez Jaramillo. He's charged with no valid driver's license. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
Do you have any source of income?
Yes, sir.
How much do you bring home per week?
800 to 1,000.
Do you have any minor children you support?
2.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. It says he should have an ice hold. That bond at 5,000. All right, thank you.
Do you want us to know?
Last name Martinez, first name Joshua.
All right, this is Josh Martinez. He's got false information to a law enforcement officer, possession of narcotic paraphernalia, possession of cocaine, driving license suspended, first offense, then violations of probation, possession of cocaine, possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 counts. So you have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Court appointed, please.
Do you have any source of income?
Nah.
Appoint the public defender. So, all right, so I see the false ID. Okay, here's the rest of it. All right, thanks. All right, finding probable cause. So he's currently held without bond because he was on probation.
Yes, sir.
So on the violations of probation, hold him without bond. On the count 1, set bond at 5,000. Count 2, set bond at 1,000. Count 3, set bond at 5,000. Count 4, set bond at 1,000. And then the BOP is holding no bond. Thank you. Who's next, Deputy?
Last name Myers, first name Sean.
Myers, Sean Myers. All right, false identification of law enforcement, violation of an injunction. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
See if I qualify for one.
Do you have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender.
Cynthia, do you have card?
All right, find probable cause. It's currently held, let's see, bond, he's got $1,000 bond on count 1, leave that as is. On the violation of the injunction, he's currently held without bond. State,
And the state would ask for a $5,000 bond and no weapons, no contact, and to abide by the injunction.
Ms. Smith.
Nothing to add, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm setting bond at 10,000 on count 2. If he bonds out, he's on pretrial release. He needs to have absolutely no contact with the person named in the injunction. He needs to have no weapons or firearms. Thank you.
He's also got an open case, Your Honor.
Hold on.
Yeah, wait a minute. Thanks, you're right. What's this open case?
CF 26-1586, it's dealing in stolen property and false verification.
All right, revoke his bonds in that case. Hold him no bond pursuant to Parker.
Suck my dick.
All right, bring him back.
No, I ain't got no.
No, you're not done.
You're not done. All right, you cursed in court.
Put another charge, whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna hold you in contempt of court. Do you want to offer any explanation before I sentence you?
And put another one.
Having heard no explanation, find him in contempt of court, no mitigating circumstances are present, sentence him to 179 days in the county jail. Thank you.
Last name Newton, first name Williams, bonded.
All right, great.
Last name Pack, first name Ryan.
Charged with possession of paraphernalia, possession of cocaine. You're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
Do you have any source of income?
Yes, sir.
How much you bring home per week?
600 to 800.
Do you have any minor children you support?
No, sir.
Well, is your income closer to 6 or closer to 8?
Closer to 8.
Yeah, you're not gonna qualify. You have to hire your own lawyer. You want to continue the hearing so you can hire your own lawyer, or you want to go ahead and deal with him today and get the lawyer involved later?
Get the lawyer involved later.
All right, find the probable cause. Bonds are set at 1,000 count 1, 5,000 count 2. Leave those as set. Thank you.
Last name Palmer, first name Gary.
You got a violation of community control, it looks like. You have a right to a lawyer. You're going to hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Qualify.
Do you have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender, find probable cause, warrants no bond, leave as is.
Last name Pena, first name Jorge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. Let's see, you have, looks like capias for a DUI.
Yes, sir.
So you're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
I'm gonna hire one, Your Honor.
Do you want me to continue this matter so your lawyer can appear, or do you wanna go ahead and deal with it today and then you can bring the lawyer in later?
Continue today, sir.
That's two different things. Continue it or deal with
Yes.
it today?
Deal with it today. Yes, sir, Your
All
Honor.
right, all right. All right, so he's currently held out bond. State you want to be heard. Says fourth or subsequent DUI offense on capias.
We asked for at least $10,000 bond and then no alcohol, no alcohol or bars, random screens, and I'd asked for GPS.
Yeah. All right, set bond, I'm gonna set bond at 15,000. If he bonds, he's on pretrial release, no alcohol, no bars. To be released to GPS monitoring only. No
Yes, sir.
driving.
Yes, sir.
You want to do the screens?
Yes,
Screens?
random urine and alcohol screens at his expense.
What was that, Your Honor?
You're subject to random alcohol and urine screenings as a condition of your pretrial release.
Yes, sir.
Last name Polizzi, first name Domenico.
Domenico.
Domenico Polizzi, charged with retail theft. You have a right to a lawyer. Are you gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
Public defender.
Do you have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender. This is an arrest warrant. Find a probable cause. Bond's already set at 5,000. Leave it as is. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
The next one is Ramirez, first name Johnny.
All right, Mr. Ramirez has 2 counts of violation of probation. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer. You wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Hire a court-appointed lawyer.
Do you have any source of income?
No, I don't.
Appoint the public defender. These are warrants. Find a probable cause. There are no bond warrants. Leave as is. Thank you.
Next one Rosario, first name Raymond.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Let's see, you have failure to appear on grand theft, insufficient funds, and something it says harassing in a misdemeanor proceeding. So you are entitled to a lawyer if you don't already have one. You already have lawyers in these matters?
Yes, I do. I have Kevin Cox. The warrants were issued while I was in custody in Broward.
All right, so Mr. Cox is representing you on all these matters?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we'll show Mr. Cox continuing to represent him. The 2 cases where it looks like you failed to appear for status conference, there's no bond settled, no. State, you want to be heard?
Yeah, the state would ask for that to remain at no bond until it goes back in front of the judge that issued the KPS.
Are they no bond cases? No bond, yes, they are. Yep. All right. So on those 2 counts, you'll have to go back in front of the judge that issued the capias, so they're remaining no bond. The other counts have a bond. It's a new charge, I guess. No, it's not. It says failure to appear for pretrial. That's got a bond at 12,000, so we'll leave that as is. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Next one, last name Sarvis, first name Raymond.
Raymond Sarvis, charged with possession of paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You have a right to a lawyer. You gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
Court appointed.
You have any source of income?
Nope. Yes, sir.
Appoint the public defender. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you guys definitely make it easy on some of these, so. All right, find a probable cause. Currently got bonds 1,000, count 1, count 2, 5,000. Leave it as is. Thank you.
Thank you.
Last name Stossel, first name Eric.
Agreed to our warrant as cannabis for sure.
Scoffstall Eric, charged possession of paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You have a right to a lawyer. You gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
Qualify.
You have any source of income?
Disability.
Appoint the public defender. Find probable cause. Bonds are set at 1,000, count 1, 5,000, count 2. Leave as is.
Last name Shannon, first name Jason.
Sanderson Public Defender's Office would ask to be appointed on this case. We represented him on several cases where he has been found incompetent to receive in 2025 CF 000-214BA. I did speak with Assistant State Attorney Ms. Lauren. My understanding is she's agreeing that he can be ROR'd on this cannabis charge in light of him being found incompetent in several cases.
Is that this case?
That's correct, Your Honor. He was previously found incompetent on that felony case.
All right, appoint the public defender for Mr. Shannon, and we'll find probable cause, but ROR him.
Thank you.
So I can leave?
You'll eventually get out, yes, sir.
Last name Smith, first name Charles.
Charles Smith, charged with violation of probation. You have a right to a lawyer. You gonna hire a lawyer? You wanna see if you qualify for a court?
PD, sir.
Source of income.
No, sir, been like the last 18 months.
Appoint the public defender. This is a warrant with no bond, so finding probable cause, and the bond, there's no bond hold. Thank you.
Last name Stewart, first name Javert.
Devaria.
Javaria.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Let's see what we got. Got warrantless, got violations of probation out of Hillsborough. What's all this? Is there a DB charge on here somewhere? I'm sorry, I just
I
tried.
think it's all,
okay. I thought they were all VOP.
yeah, I think it's all VOPs.
Oh, that's 2000. I thought it was 2000. No, it does say 2026. So these are all new, you have to be new charges. I mean, it says this happens on May 29th, 2026. Has he already, did he bond out on those and then they pick him up on the Hillsborough warrant?
I'm not sure. The only thing that's on the list is the warrantless VOPs. So I don't know if he's already been the first appearances on something else.
It must be. All right. Well, I can't help him with the lawyer on the violations of probation out of Hillsborough. So we're basically going to hold him without bond, and if they don't pick him up, they'll bring him back on June 5th.
Yeah, I think he was arrested on May 9th on the DV, so he must have either bonded out or finished that. So I think the only thing he's in on now is the VOPs.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I was arrested May 9th on a domestic, I don't know what it was, but I had a bond for 500 and I had a hold for Hillsborough for VOP.
All right. Well, it sounds like what they did was, I guess, execute the warrants. But right now, you can't get out. You got to go back to Hillsborough.
I never was released, by the way.
Nah.
I would point out, according to the sheriff's website, it says that the DV battery prior conviction charge was no billed. So
So
I
they
believe
just brought him back on the VOPs
so
now,
he
so.
should just get a status hearing next Friday.
That's what, that is set. So, you know, if Hillsborough doesn't pick you up, you'll be back in court next Friday.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Last name Tapley, first name Steven.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. All right, Mr. Tapley's got a failure to appear, pretrial conference, driving license suspended. Looks like it was a capias. You already have a lawyer on that matter, sir?
Yeah, original counsel.
All right, so we'll find probable cause. There's a bond set at $1,500, so you can bond out. Thank you.
Can we resolve the case today?
Now, unfortunately, you got to go back to Judge Cole or whoever is in East County now.
All right.
Next, last name Thomas, first name Kyle.
Mr. Thomas, you were charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You have a right to a lawyer. You're going to hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
See if I qualify.
Do you have any source of income?
No.
Appoint the public defender, find probable cause, and bonds are already set. 1,000 count one, count two, 5,000, leave as is. Thank you.
Last name Turnbull, first name Charles.
Mr. Turnbull, you got violations of probation, burglary, petty theft. What happened here? All right, so you're entitled to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer? You wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
Court appointed, please.
You have any source of income?
No, sir.
Appoint the public defender, find a probable cause. Currently held without bond, going to continue to hold him without bond. Thank you.
Last name Tyler Marlowe, first name Levante.
Let's see, Tyler Marlowe, you got possession of cannabis, misdemeanor amount, possession of drug paraphernalia. You have a right to a lawyer. You're going to hire a lawyer. You want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
I'm gonna hire one.
All right, you want me to continue this so you can hire your lawyer? Or you want to go ahead and deal with it now and you can get the lawyer in?
Deal with it now. Deal with it now.
All right, find and probable cause, currently held without bond. Why is that?
I think it's just because of his prior history, because I don't see
No,
anything
so
open.
this says open case.
Oh.
Says he has a felony case.
It's, yeah, I don't have it in our system, so I don't know.
He's missing it, right?
Says pending possession of cocaine, 25 CF 8470, 8470.
8470.
That's still real, that's still there.
Yes, sir, it's still open.
Still open.
It was billed under Marlowe instead of Tyler.
All right, well, unfortunately, you're gonna have to revoke your bonds in that case and hold you no bond pursuant to Parker v. State. And this matter is set bond at 5,000 per count.
Last name Walker, first name Daniel.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Let's see, what does Mr. Daniel have? It's like, failure to register, attaching tag unassigned, driving license suspended. You have a right to a lawyer. You're gonna hire a lawyer, or you wanna see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer?
I'm gonna try and hire Mr. Kevin Cox.
And you want me to wait and continue this matter, and you can get Mr. Cox to show up, or you wanna go ahead and deal with it and get Mr. Cox involved later?
I'll get him involved later.
All right. Find probable cause. Bonds are set at $250 per count. Leave it as is. Thank you.
Judge, there are three that I was advised have not arrived yet. We need to bring back tomorrow. Last name Acosta, first name Daniel.
Yes, ma'am. Bring him back tomorrow.
The next one is, sorry. The next one is last name Marshall, first name Richard.
What was the last name?
Marshall Richard. Okay, bring him back tomorrow.
And the other one is last name Taylor, first name Charles.
All right, got him. Bring him back tomorrow.
To my knowledge, that's all we have.
All right, thanks, deputy.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.